Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying you have the essentials: an active Paymaya account, the device with the updated app, and a government ID plus selfie image ready. Open the app and sign in. If you use two-factor authentication, enter the code now. Once signed in, navigate to Profile or Settings to access account details. This first action moves you into the update flow quickly, and it ensures the system accepts document uploads without needing to reinstall or troubleshoot outdated software. You now edit the specific fields you need to change. Tap Profile, choose Edit, and update name, address, or contact numbers. When updating identity data, use the app camera to capture a clear ID and selfie. Follow size and format prompts so the verification algorithm accepts them. Once uploaded, review every field for accuracy because mismatches delay approval. Make sure to submit and then monitor notifications or your registered email for verification status. This is how Paymaya validates the changes and avoids rejections. You finish by submitting the updates and checking verification status in account or notifications. Typical states are pending, approved, or rejected. If approved, you're done. Make sure linked services reflect the change. If rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the specific documents or fields, and resubmit promptly. If verification stalls beyond 48 hours, you contact Paymaya support using the reference ID displayed. This speeds resolution and prevents repeated failed attempts. Keep screenshots of submissions for support conversations and record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.